Hello everyone, this is me again, and today I'm going to show you another video on how to create a proper Facebook page. Actually, I have got lots of requests from my viewers who asked me to make a video on how to create a proper Facebook page. So let's learn step by step how to create a proper Facebook page and arrange it properly. Well guys, to create a Facebook page properly, first you need to log into your Facebook, and as you can see, after you log into your Facebook, it will come like this. It will show you name and other option below, where you will see a option says pages. So after you clicking on these pages, it will show you whatever existing page you have. Like for me, that I have 3 pages over here. So if you have any pages, it will show over here. It will show over here, and on the left hand side again you will see a option says create new page. So to create a new page, you have to click on this option. So as you click on this option, it will show a option that your page name and how you want to see your page, like desktop mode or mobile phone mode. So for me it's a desktop mode. But also on the left hand side you can see a option says page name. So you type your page name, like whatever name you want to give. For me, I will give technology info. So you can give any name you want, and then it will show another option says category. So you have to choose a category, under which category you want to create your page, if it is business, information, or any other things. So for me it's an information technology company. But now the option is here for description. So you have to write a description over this area, where this description will tell your viewers that what exactly this page is about. I mean, you have to write the description such a way that people can understand exactly what is your page about. So for me, I will write some description, just an example, like this is a technology related page where you will get all new technology information. So you write something like that describe your page properly. After that, you will see, after you doing that, you say save or create page, then this option will come again. You say save. So after you clicking on save, your page will be already created, and it will give you this option where you need to type your phone number. So of course you need to choose the country you are in, and then you have to add your phone number. So in your phone you will get a code, then you can activate. So press on send code. So a code number will come to your page. You can verify it later on, whatever. And now we will do another small option over here, where we need to change your Facebook page back cover. Before that, as you can see, that before I had 3 pages, now I have 4. So now to change your back cover, click on this option says edit, and go choose from photos. Click on that, and then you can choose any photo from your computer, or you can choose any photo. So I'm just choosing this photo as my Facebook page cover. Okay, I mean it's a cover photo, and you can adjust according to your cover. So you see that this is adjusted. Also you can choose a profile picture for your page. Okay, you can view photo, edit profile picture. From there you can take. I'm not going to change it, so if you want you can just change it. Now you have to add a button in this area. That means you can choose any kind of button, like follow, call me, book now. I mean whatever you need for your page. Usually I choose send message, so people can send me message automatically by clicking on this button. And you can ask some question, I mean ready-made question. I mean this question will be ready and they can just automatically ask without typing. So you can write anything you want, then save. You see the button is already added. Now let's go to newsfeed. So now my newsfeed is empty. Let's go to next, and then again next, where it will suggest you some page or some other things that you can follow. So it's, if you want you can follow them, whatever you like you can follow, or you can just skip it. See, I go to newsfeed, but I don't have any news because I did not follow anyone. So let's follow someone from here. I'll follow this, and you can follow as much as you want. Okay, now let's go to here, to this area where you will see that automated response. You can set automated response to your page. So if someone send you message, automatically it will reply to that message like, "Hi, thanks for contacting us, we received your message and appreciate you getting in touch." Or you can write anything over here. So that's how you will arrange your page. It's up to you, but you have to on it. Instantly reply, you can just on it. Also you can send away message, like if you will be away from your page for a couple of days, you can just leave a message that I will be away, I will come back and I will knock you. So these things you can arrange your page according to your needs. Okay, now let's go to some other information setup. Now we will go to settings. In settings you will find general setting. So first, if you see the general setting, where you will see page visibility, so you can edit your page visibility, how you want to do your page visibility, like unpublished or page published. It's up to you. Then you can just save it. And visitor post, you can, how you want to see your visitor post, you can set this. Whatever you like, you can just tick. You don't like, you don't tick. I mean, it's something like that, like allow visitors to the page to publish post. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to allow them, you can just click on it. But if you don't allow them, like you allow photo and video post, you can do that. You can review. I mean, it's according to your needs. You need to arrange it. After that, there is some other lots of options, so you need to check one by one. I'm not going through all of them. You can check one by one and you can go through like newsfeed, auto granted caption options, and all the other things. So you check it and you do it as you need. Now we will create a post. I mean, we need to do our first post because we didn't post it, we just created this page. So as usual, you can just create a post and you can write anything you want. If you want to add a picture or photo or video, you can just upload from your computer. You can click this photo and video, so it will give you option and you can do it. So these all things are here, but I'm not going to post it. Let's skip it. And then now we will make setup over here, some other setup. Like if you click on this, you can see like, follow, share, create page, and we already created page, like as your page, invite friends. Now you can invite from you here. If you click on invite friends, all of your friends list will come here. So the people you want to invite, you just check them, I mean tick them, and then you can send invites. So when people get invitation, they will engage to your page. So that's very important, that you have to send request to your friend. Also there is groups, events, reviews, also these all things. Let's go to newsfeed. So after you coming to newsfeed, as you know that we have followed this page, so whatever this page posted in their page, it will come to our newsfeed. Okay, now let's go to back to page again. In the page there is some setup pending. Also you can send invites from here. You see there is some name and there is invites. If you click that invites, the invites will go. Now let's set up your page for success. Like we already did 6 out of 13. Let's do some more setup. So add profile picture, these things, step 5 step. There is some, they will ask you to provide info and preferences, what you want to do. Like you can add your website over here, and also you can add your location info, where you are. You can add your business hour, how long your business will be open in a day. Then you can add a phone number, we already added. Now let's go to insights. So insights is option where you can see all of your activities, what you do in the page. Okay, like we have created this page today only, that's why there will be some, all of them are 0. But usually in this insights means where you can see how many people engage in your page, how many like you got in your post, how many like you got in your overall page. All things will come here.